Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just want to show you guys this cool build that we just finished up for a customer of ours. This bike actually started out as a pretty basic 2018 CRF450R. You guys can see we obviously added some goodies on here from the Ocean Mirror exhaust. And of course, let's not forget the big wheel kit. And we did go ahead and install our new billet swing arm. The thing just looks unbelievable on this bike. Here's a cool shot of the triple clamps that come with the big wheel kit. This basically just widens out your front end. Allows us to fit a 25/812 front tire. Now you guys are going to see our 12-inch front wheel with a billet hub. We had to do all that just to widen the front end out. And why not make it an ATV and add a thumb throttle on here for all the thumb throttle haters? I'm sure you guys will be commenting, but that's okay. A lot of our customers love them. This bike ended up getting a full graphics kit, custom seat cover. Overall, we just wanted to clean this whole thing up. Again, it was a used bike, so we actually went right over the OEM plastic and made it look as new as we could. We added a kickstand on here with our new billet bracket. So this is actually a KTM style kickstand. I really like the design of it, so I'm starting to use that on a bunch of different builds. Well guys, super happy with this build. I think it turned out awesome. If you're in the market for a custom build just like this, or you want to purchase a big wheel kit for your dirt bike and make it pretty much a go anywhere dirt bike with these fat tires, head over to bvcbigwheels.com today and check out all of our big wheel kits. We make kits for 110s up to the XR650. We do have a bunch of different brands available, and we're actually adding new models monthly on our website. So join our email list and sign up for the first time customer discount. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Never thought we'd be selling your old bike, but
yeah, I know. I didn't either.
It's funny how that happens.
I regret getting rid of it after riding it down the road.
Right.
I should have built a big wheel. This thing's awesome. This guy's gonna be happy.